Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your audience on the Mailchimp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mailchimp application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your username and password to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to delete your audience, tap on the audience section at the bottom left corner. You will now see the number of your total audience. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will show you the list of all of your audience as well. Now if you wish to delete any of your audience, simply tap on this audience name, and now you will see the audience details. Scroll down and you will find the delete option right at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be told to touch and hold on the orange area to delete this contact. Go ahead and touch and then hold the position for a while, and this contact will be deleted right away. You can do this with as many number of your audience from the contacts screen. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your audiences within the Mailchimp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.